Welcome to the FlameTask tutorial on advanced service. Normally scheduled services advance the next date to a certain number of years after it is performed from the current date. There is an occasion that performing one service will change the due date of another service. An example of this for dry chemical extinguishers. Normally the hydrostatic test and 6-year maintenance should be staggered 6 years apart, but if this turns out to not be the case, when the hydrostatic test is performed, the 6-year maintenance should be staggered 6 years apart from the hydrostatic test. The 6-year maintenance is only meant to be a midway check between hydrostatic tests. Let's see this happen. The 6-year maintenance is due in 2026. I'll perform the hydrostatic test now. See, the 6-year maintenance due date changed to 2028. In this case, we will want to configure the hydrostatic test to make the changes to the 6-year maintenance. To take a look at where this is set up, click on Settings, Equipment Types, Dry Extinguisher, Hydrostatic Test. Click on Show Advanced. Select the service you want this service to change. Keep X years away. Type 6 for 6 years. This advanced service is also used for monthly inspections to keep the monthly and yearly inspection from being in the same month. Thanks for watching the FlameTask tutorial on advanced service.